This is the ultimate guide to confidence. It is divided into 5 chapters, building the base for confidence. The only 5 habits to build unshakable confidence, things confident people will never tell you, common stumbling blocks and problems everyone faces and how to fix them. And finally, the 30-day confidence plan. Chapter 1, building the base for confidence. Some people walk into a room and everyone turns to look at them and wants to talk to them. This is not the reality. It's all in movies and TV shows. Confidence isn't about being perfect. It's not about everyone always liking you. It's about being okay when they don't. There's a thing called core confidence by Alex Stajkovic. It's a mix of skill plus self-belief plus resilience plus optimism. Even if you don't have all the skills right now, belief plus effort plus willingness to learn can build that core. So real confidence equals knowing your value, building capability, and embracing perfection. And now we'll move into how to build that. Chapter 2, the only 5 habits to build unshakable confidence. These 5 habits are easy and practical. Each habit builds on the previous one. Habit 1, know your strengths and use them daily. Write 3 things you're good at. Skills, personality traits, and small wins, big or small. Maybe you're funny, maybe you're good at listening. Once you feel your own value more clearly, you'll be less shaky when you face people, criticism, or awkward moments. Which brings us to habit number 2. Habit number 2, embrace small failures as experiments, not disasters. Reframe mistakes. Instead of, I messed up, everyone will think I'm stupid, think, cool, I learned something. Next time I'll do better. Do mini risks often. Speak up once in a meeting, even if you're scared, try a new outfit, and start a conversation with a stranger. These small failures build resilience. As you embrace these mini failures, you'll start to see that people don't care as much as you think. You'll loosen up. Then habit number 3 improves what people actually see in you. Habit number 3, body, voice, and presence. Project what you feel inside. Posture. Stand straight, shoulders back, chest open. Even when you don't feel confident, posture sends signals to your brain. Fake it till you feel it. Voice. Speak clearly, slightly slower than usual. Pause. Use your voice. Don't rush. When you speak with calm clarity, people listen. Use voice commands. I believe instead of I guess or maybe. Physical presence, eye contact, a firm handshake, and movement that's intentional. Think about how professional actors do it. They rehearse voice, posture, and breathing. If you do number 1, knowing your strengths, and number 2, failing small, then number 3 lets you show those confidently. Because having value plus being okay with failure, plus projecting yourself equals people feel you're confident. Habit number 4 helps you sustain it inside. 4, daily mindset rituals. What you tell yourself matters. Journaling. Every night write 1 thing you did that day well, and 1 thing you'll do better tomorrow. This helps you see progress. Dialogue with self. Treat your inner voice like a coach, not a hater. When you mess up, say, cool, I messed up, here's what I learned. Instead of, wow, you always mess up. Visualization. Imagine yourself succeeding, being confident in social situations. Your mind practices before reality. When your mindset rituals are strong, your inner world stops sabotaging you. Then habit number 5 is about how to connect with people in a way that amplifies confidence outward. I know how complicated this sounds, but don't worry. I will give you a 30-day plan in a minute. Habit number 5, connect authentically. People trust genuineness more than perfection. Be curious about others. Ask genuine questions. Listen. People like people who like them. Confidence doesn't mean dominating conversations. It means engaging well. Share a bit of vulnerability. Maybe you fear, maybe you messed up. This doesn't make you weak. It makes you human. Guess what? Many beloved figures, celebrities, creators, who are most liked are those who show cracks. Use stories. When you talk, use small stories. One time I messed up in front of everyone. Here's what happened, etc. These make you relatable. Mirror warmth. Smile. Use people's names. And give sincere compliments. Not faking, but noticing something good. Give social proof that you're trustworthy and kind. Chapter 3, things confident people never tell you. Confident people often say, don't fear. In reality, confidence is feeling the fear and acting anyway. Almost all confident people feel nervous. They just don't let it stop them. Confident people often portray confidence like people start liking you in reality. Some people won't like you, and that's fine. Trying to please everyone is exhausting and fake. Real confidence equals having boundaries, having values, and standing by them even if some people don't agree. The third thing confident people say is confidence is natural. Some people are born with it, or it's just talent, but in reality, it's a set of habits. You build it like muscles. The more you use them, the stronger they get. As you progress on this journey to confidence, you will be met with some problems that will act as stumbling blocks. So here are the common stumbling blocks and how to fix them. Chapter 4, common stumbling blocks and how to fix them. 1. Comparing. During the initial days of the 30-day plan, you might start seeing other people as more confident and better than you, which is very common. Everyone you see might look better. Fix, limit on social media, mostly the vlogs, and always remind yourself that everyone has fears. I will give you a 30-day plan in a minute, but before that you need to understand all these problems. 2. Perfectionism, all or nothing thinking. When you follow the 30-day plan, there will be a day or two you will miss. Fix. If you miss any day of the 30-day plan, don't quit. Just pick it up the next day. Habits grow by momentum, not by perfect record. 3. Voice and posture feel fake. You might also feel that your voice and posture feel fake sometimes. Here's the fix. Practice in private. When you see yourself in a mirror video, note what feels forced. Reduce exaggeration. Make it more you. Over time, it becomes natural. To improve your posture and voice, do the following things. Child's pose, cat-cow pose, cobra pose, chest opener, forward fold, and downward dog. These are the best poses to improve your posture. For voice, 1. Strengthen your neck muscles. Do some neck exercises. It will help your voice and posture. 2. Drink plenty of water. Dehydration literally shrinks your vocal cords. Loss of water here equals loss of mass, leaving you with a thinner, squeakier voice. So drink 3 to 4 litres of water. 3. Breathe from the diaphragm. I know how complicated this sounds, so just keep 2 things in mind. Your stomach should rise as you inhale and fall as you exhale. That's it. You're breathing from your diaphragm. Just practice it for a few minutes every day and try to use it whenever you feel like it. So breathe, making your stomach rise, and exhale, making it fall until the end of this video to see what changes. 4. Inner critic too loud. Your inner voice might criticize you at moments. Fix, use journaling and self-compassion. When your critic speaks, respond with, "Yes, I see you. Thank you. But here's what real looks like." Or like you would comfort a friend. Now I want you to walk away with a plan. I don't want you to overload yourself, so here's the 30-day plan. Week 1, we start the first week with habit number 1 every day. Pick 1 strength from the 3 and use it in the world. Combine this with journaling 1 win or any improvement you made and do the posture and voice practice. Week 2, at this point, you'll be comfortable with habit number 1, and this is when we introduce habit 2. Take 1 risk per day. It could be small. Continue journaling. Observe how people respond. Week 3, add habits number 3 and number 4 in full. Presence work, voice, posture, and also inner dialogue and visualization. Notice how your body feels. Practice speaking intentionally. Maybe rehearse something important, a talk, pitch, or meeting, in front of a mirror, or record it. Week 4. At this point, you will be able to initiate conversation and approach people. So now we will add the final habit that will change the game. Authentic connections. Use curiosity. Ask people questions. Listen more. Share stories. Also put your confidence in action. Try something scary but worthwhile. Public speaking, performing, sharing your work. Reflect nightly. If you commit to the 30-day plan I laid out, you won't be someone else. You'll be the best version of you, and that version will naturally attract admiration, respect, and someone wanting to be like you. If you found this helpful, hit the like button, subscribe and watch this video to change your life in 7 days.